Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. If anybody from your team, from your family, from anyone that you're trying to hold accountable, if you want them to buy into this environment of ownership and accountability, then you've got to be the model for that. Next, in terms of best practices for accountability, I want to make sure, have I been clear with my expectations? So number one, do they know what my expectations are? Have they agreed to those expectations? And do they understand the expectations as I understand them? Are we both aligned? Do we share the understanding of what these expectations specifically mean? What effect could not showing up to meetings have? Just imagine what effect that could have and fill in the effects column. Now ask, what would asking them sound like? What would bringing them into the conversation sound like? So what kinds of questions could you ask? And then what request would you make?
Anything we can do to help in any way?
So notice here, I'm putting the agenda that I had aside for just a moment, because remember, the context I'm coming at this with is care and support. Write this down on your piece of paper, how behavior, effect, ask, and request would sound for each of these. You can pause the video after each one to take a little time and fill out your worksheet. Number one, we always want to set clear expectations. Make sure expectations are clear and mutually agreed to so that everybody's on the same page.